Welcome back. Tonight, let's travel to the Sengoku period, an age of endless war, and learn 5 words through the story of Oda Nobunaga. Our first word means battle.
tatakai, tatakai.
Let's hear it in a sentence.
激しい戦いが始まりました。
Nobunaga was a brilliant and ruthless warlord. He possessed a fierce spirit that terrified his enemies. Our next word means courage.
勇気、勇気。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
彼は勇気を持って進みました。
His grand vision was to bring all of Japan under one rule, ending the chaos of the warring states. Our third word means unification.
統一、統一。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
天下統一を夢見ました。
But just as his dream was within reach, he was surrounded at Honno-ji Temple by his own general. Our next word means betrayal.
裏切り、裏切り。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
突然の裏切りでした。
Trapped in the burning temple, Nobunaga fought to the end, driven by his primal nature. Our final word means instinct.
本能、本能。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
本能のままに生きました。
Nobunaga's fire burned bright and fast, changing Japan forever. Sleep warm tonight, and tomorrow night, another little Japanese bedtime story.